They say real wealth doesn't come from working harder. It comes from building systems that work for you. That's not just a quote, it's a strategy. And one of the most overlooked systems that's quietly creating six-figure earners across America is vending machines. It sounds simple. Too simple, maybe. But right now, thousands of people, regular people, not corporate giants, are making serious money by placing vending machines in the right places and letting them do the work. Here's how it works. You purchase a vending machine, either new or refurbished, stock it with products people already want, and place it in a high-traffic location. That could be an office building, a school, a gym, a factory, a laundromat. Any place where people pass by every day and want a quick snack, a drink, or even tech accessories like phone chargers or headphones. Once that machine is in place, it becomes a 24/7 income source. No clocking in, no talking to customers, no managing staff. It sells while you sleep, while you travel, while you're working on your next move. Now here's where it gets real. Some machines generate $50 a day. Some make $300. Some in premium locations pull in $1,000 or more, especially if you manage multiple machines in areas with steady foot traffic. The startup cost is accessible. A quality machine might cost you between $2,000 and $5,000. You'll also need to buy initial inventory and possibly pay a small monthly fee to the business or property where your machine is located, often 10% of the revenue. But many successful vending operators report recovering their investment in just a few months. The best part? You're not limited by time. Once you set up one machine and it's working, you can scale. Add a second, a third, 5, 10. Suddenly, you're not just earning extra cash. You're operating a fully passive income system with real profit potential. This is physical income, but without physical exhaustion. You're not stocking shelves in a store. You're not chasing clients. You're not stuck in traffic going to a job you hate. You're managing a business that grows in the background, and don't think it's just candy bars and soda. Today's vending machines are smarter. Touch screens, cashless payments, app-based monitoring. You can track everything from your phone, restock only when needed, and optimize based on real-time data. Want to take it further? Niche down. Healthy vending, machines in yoga studios, energy drinks in gyms, school supplies in college campuses, tech accessories in airports, even ice vending machines or frozen meal kiosks in apartment complexes. And here's the truth. The vending industry generates over $23 billion per year in the US alone. That's not a side hustle. That's a silent empire. This business doesn't care about your degree, your resume, or your past. All it takes is action, consistency, and smart choices. And if you play it right, it can give you freedom, financial, personal, and professional. So if you're tired of trading time for money, if you want income that doesn't rely on you showing up every single day, if you're ready to build something that works for you even when you're not working, then maybe it's time to stop watching and start doing. This is real, it's scalable, and it's waiting for people bold enough to take the first step. Subscribe now for more smart business models, real income ideas, and strategies to help you build true freedom one smart move at a time.